Hi, welcome back to the channel. This is the stuff that we use when we're cleaning car seats or car carpets. Extract stuff. It's very, very good. Doesn't froth up much and it's a nice smell after. Just pause the video if you want to zoom in and read what it says, how to do it. Obviously we use my old faithful Rug Doctor. If you saw the last video of cleaning the car seats. And here's the money shot, somebody said. All the dirt being pulled away. This is from those car seats. And the carpet mat we just done, the boot mat, which I'll show you in a minute. Look at that, satisfying, nice. Right, well, here's the boot carpet we're going to use, clean. As you can see, it's really skanky. So I put that extract stuff in a bottle with some water and just spray it on to let it soak in for about 10-15 minutes. Then I get my Whizzy wheel, which I'll show you in a minute, on the drill, the brush. I bought those from eBay for £9, I think it was. Get a selection of them and loads of other bits of accessories. They're getting little gaps. And all we do is just do this, work it in there, nice. I'll just do a little bit, then I'm going to do the rest off the camera. And I'll show you the results. So just keep working it in as it is. Then when we get the Rug Doctor out in a minute, that obviously squirts water and does the brushing action as well. Here is the Rug Doctor. Brush moves, push the lever, squirt some stuff out. We do put that stuff in the water as well. You can put some other smelly stuff in there, like fabric, fabric stuff, make it smell nice. You can do that, and it does come up really, really nice. So yeah, I just work it in and out, back and forth, back and forth. And now I'm doing this one-handed, and the carpet is moving. And I'm holding the camera as well. I'll try and get a shot of the front. As you can see, all the nasties going up the hoover there. Yeah, this is I'm really pleased with this Rug Doctor. I've had it about 3 or 4 years now, and it hasn't broken. I pushed down quite hard. And here's the end result of the carpet. It sucks the water out lovely, so it's pretty much touch dry when you've when you want to stick it back. It's very, very good. Very, very pleased. Yeah, touch dry. And here is the carpet in the boot now. Looks very, very good compared to what it did. Okay, I hope this video has helped some of you out. Thanks for watching.